I'm Laura with Kansas City Mom Collective, and today we're going on a tour of the brand new AdventHealth Lenexa City Center. This full-service hospital is now open in the heart of Lenexa. Now we're chatting with Teresa Noland. She is the Chief Nursing Officer at AdventHealth Lenexa City Center. Thank you so much for joining us and showing us this beautiful facility.
It's my pleasure.
Tell us, what services do you offer at AdventHealth City Center?
So being the first full-service hospital in Lenexa City Center, we offer our 24/7 emergency department, as well as service lines in orthopedics, our surgical services, inpatient services as well, cardiology. So if you think of a full-service hospital, that's us.
There's a medical office building on site too. How does the hospital partner with that?
Absolutely. The far west side of our building, we have a medical office building that's 56,000 square foot. That's a home for our primary care offices, as well as some multi-specialty services. So we have surgeons, pulmonology, cardiology, and other special services that will office out of there that help us serve our patients. And we're connected. We're actually connected. Their patients are able to be fluid and walk over for outpatient testing if they needed that, or to come over and have inpatient services.
How does AdventHealth Lenexa City Center meet the community needs? I know this is a growing part of the city.
Absolutely. The vibrant city of Lenexa. I mean, I have been watching this place grow for the last decade, and it's been just exponential, the growth that you've been able to see here. We actually, being the first full service hospital here, actually bring services right in their backyard. And people really want an ease of access, so to access care should be easy for them as moms and as families, and for their children and other loved ones. And so being located here close to the interstate and in this center part of the city, we are here to serve.
What innovative technology has been implemented here?
We are very excited. We implemented a Da Vinci 5 robot, which is the first in Kansas City, and it really allows our surgeons to be more precise in robotic surgery, which is very exciting to have the first. In addition, we implemented smart room technology, and what that is actually has artificial intelligence that allows us to actually integrate with the patient's electronic health record. And within each patient's room, we've outfitted with a virtual care camera, as well as an electronic whiteboard, and then door signs that actually give our caregivers and our care team information about the patient before they ever enter the room. Of course, being protected, their personal health information being protected. But we are able to loop in your family member. If you were admitted in our hospital and you needed to loop in your husband into a care conference with your provider, your physician, we're actually able to bring them right in on a screen in the room, and they can be part of that care conference.
How does the atmosphere and design of the hospital benefit the patients? I know it's pretty stunning when you walk in. It's beautiful, the light colors and the artwork, but tell me how that helps the patient.
Well, I think, when we commit to whole person care, which is what AdventHealth has done, and that's really helping the patient feel whole in body, mind, and spirit. And when we think through that, there's so much more than just the medicine or the medical procedures that we provide to a patient that really leads to true healing. And part of that is natural light. Part of that is the food that we feed our patients, as well as just the atmosphere with which I'm healing. I mean, this is a sanctuary for healing, and it should represent that. So then whoever walks into this organization or this location, whether they're the patient, the family, or even just a visitor, actually benefits from that. We have worked to bring nature inside. So you'll find we have a chandelier that actually represents all the leaves that are native to Kansas. We have the inside of our chapel, and the ceiling is actually a leaf that is just beautiful, as well as the light. And so we're excited to see how that helps our patients. And if you have to be here, then it actually makes your experience better.
Yeah, it does feel like a very warm, welcoming, friendly environment.
Absolutely.
Can you explain what the future state of the campus will look like?
Absolutely. We are already designed as a hospital to expand. It was built with that intent in mind. Mm-hmm. Our emergency room is already designed to expand and add additional beds when that demand is there. In addition, we also have the east side of our building that's designed to add another 100-bed tower that will be connected, that will give us the ability to serve more people, because this community will continue to grow. Sure. As that's been evidenced by the last decade. Then we can continue to add additional service lines and specialties with our providers that truly meet the needs and the demands of our community's health.
As a mom, if my child needs care, could I bring them here?
Yes, you could. We have a full service emergency department that's open, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, that is ready and able to take care of any emergency that comes through the door, whether that be a neonate up to 100 years of age. You come to our hospital and we can care for your child.
Will you be delivering babies at Lenexa City Center?
We will not. However, we're a campus of Shawnee Mission, and if a mom comes here who's expecting, who's needing care, we're capable to take care of that mom in our emergency department. But then we would arrange for a safe transport to Shawnee Mission, where we do have full delivery services.
AdventHealth Lenexa City Center is now open and bringing whole person healthcare to the heart of Lenexa. Learn more about care that's always centered on you at adventhealthkc.com/Lenexa City Center.